Good afternoon, sir. My name is Justin Raza. This is my PPT. Laravel blade templating, explaining template, inheritance, sections, control structures, syntax, and components. What is template, inheritance, in blade, and how can it be used in a real-world application? Base layouts define common structure, header, footer, hub. Child views extend the base and fill in section. Reduce code duplication. Billboard, dashboards, blogs, e-commerce. How can blade sections and fields be utilized to manage content in different views? Field. Placeholder in base layout. Section. Section. Content field in child view. Keeps layouts consistent while allowing flexibility. What is what is the purpose of the syntax in Blade and why is it important for security? Automatically skip output prevents XSS attacks by sanitizing data. Safe by default raw HTML requires ensures secure rendering of user data. Can Blade's components and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? Component reusable UI buttons, cards, modals, slots, placeholders for custom content. Example, alert types, success, message, text alert. Encourage modular maintainable code. Summary, template inheritance layout reuse. Section yield flexible content. Control structures, cleaner syntax. Secure data display. Components, slots, usable UI elements. Lang po, sir. Thank you.